Yeti?
Yeah. Just remember, One Caribbean International in association with the National AIDS Committee presents a celebrity.
Can you tell the viewers what your company is doing here today?
Well, we are representing Magical Moments, and we're actually doing a promotion for party events and party planning and balloon arches. Anything pertaining to parties.
So this would say here, these pictures we're looking at, are they examples of what you do with these animals?
There's some examples of our petting zoo, our pony rides, our piñatas, just a little bit of what we do. And these are piñatas over here and over here. A little right over here we have the Disney Princess piñata, and also we have, you know, the balloon columns. We also do arches, and we do the chair covers with the bows, anything from formal to casual.
Okay, thank you, Yeti, and good luck with your business.
Thank you. Bye-bye.